Hey, what's up guys? Welcome back. You watching for Take. Yesterday we shared a new fingerprint icons and style application which was extracted from latest OxygenOS 16.0.9. We found an update that recently started rolling out for OnePlus 15. In today's video, we brought you latest updates for Photos and Phone Manager application. Both applications include some new changes, especially the photo application which introduces some amazing new AI features. In this video, we'll compare them side by side with older versions. Make sure to watch this video till the end because I will also tell you which OxygenOS versions are compatible with this new photo application. If you find our content useful, then please like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon. Now without further delay, let's get started. This is my OnePlus 12R, which is running with older versions of both applications. It has Photos application version 16.32. While on my OnePlus 13R, I have installed the new photo application version 16.40. To update, just download the new version from the link given in the video description and install it as normal APK. Let's compare them side by side and we'll check out what's new in this version. The new version has more liquid glass style settings panel as compared to old version. It also comes with the redesigned settings icon. The new Photos application now includes a dedicated Create section that brings all AI photo editing tools together in one place, including the HD Collage, AI Portrait Glow, AI Eraser, Video Editor, Pop-out Collage, and more. HD Collage is an older feature, but this AI Portrait Glow is completely new. Unlike the previous version, this feature not only adds the glow effect to subject but also enhances the other objects in the images. For example, I selected this photo which looks bit dull, but after applying the glow effect, both subject and background objects become much clearer and more vibrant. Next we have AI Eraser, Video Editor and AI Detail Boost. These are existing AI features. However, the pop-out collage feature has been improved. It now offers the new collage layout that lets you add up to 9 images and apply the pop-out effect to all of them. As you can see here, I have selected 9 images. Using the preview option, we can preview all of these selected photos. We can rearrange their layout and can apply the pop-out effect. You can apply pop-out effect to all 9 photos of the collage. The final results looks very impressive. This is the older AI portrait glow effect, which only enhances the subject of the photo. The new portrait glow feature, as we've seen earlier, applies the glow effect to the entire images, including the background elements. The new Photos application also adds the new slow motion playback for motion photos. Simply open any motion photo from album. The application will automatically process it and applies the slow motion effect to the specific part of the image. You can also drag the timeline to extend the slow motion effect across the entire motion photo. Save the edited motion photo, then long press to enjoy the new slow motion playback effect. In the old photo application, all AI features are only accessible by tapping the edit button for individual photo. Here you will find the AI Compose, AI Perfect Shot, AI Unblur and AI Reflection Eraser. All of these features are also available in new Photos application when you editing photo directly from the album. The difference is that new Create tab provides a separate section where you can quickly access both newly added and existing AI tools. Now let's talk about the phone manager. In my OnePlus 12R, I am using the older phone manager version 17.0.1. While on my OnePlus 13R, I have installed the new version 17.1.6 along with the latest security events and payment protection applications which are extracted from OxygenOS 16.0.9. Simply download these three applications from the link given in the video description. Install the new phone manager application first, then install security events and payment protection applications. If we compare both the phone manager versions, almost all the features remain same except for this new scam protection feature. This feature isn't available anywhere in older version, not even under the tools section. Scam protection provide cross-scenario security during the phone calls, web browsing, app installation, and other activities. Simply enable the cross-scenario scam protection toggle. The system will detect any potential threat. It will be display a red warning, and the event will be recorded in protection history. Before enabling the cross-scenario protection, make sure to turn on the main scam protection option from the three-dot menu in the setting. This new updates adds an extra layer of security to your OnePlus device. But I found one limitation. Even if you install the new Photos application on OnePlus device running below OxygenOS 16.0.8 version, you won't get the new AI features. The app will look almost identical to older versions. So currently, the new AI features are only available on OnePlus devices running with OxygenOS 16.0.8 or later. The new phone manager application, however, works on almost all OxygenOS versions. That's all for today's video. I hope you find it helpful. If you enjoyed our work, then please like, hype and share this video, subscribe to our channel and press the bell icon so we'll never miss out our upcoming content. Thanks for watching. See you next time. Take care. Bye bye.